Hello everyone. Today is Thursday, October 30th, 2025. I'm Gloria from Lodi's Thimble, and we have just received some products from the Adventale line from Art Gallery Fabrics. These are Christmas. We've got an Advent calendar panel that I'm showing you right now, and we'll go into more detail on that one in another video. We also have the Home Sweet Home panel, which is the one I want to show you today. This is filled with just quintessential English village scenes. It's so pretty. The colors are soft and non-conventional for a Christmas quilt, Christmas winter. This panel is 24 inches wide, and it comes with a 2.5-inch strip there on the right hand side of a coordinating fabric. You could use that, it's with the fabric, so you could cut that in two and add 2 horizontal strips to your project, or use it for anything else you like, really. I'll show you this panel. Here we'll go through the scenes on it so that you can see it in greater detail. These blocks without the seam allowance are, I think they're 6.5. Yeah, they're approximately 6.5-inch square. And you've got all kinds of woodland animals on the panel. Deer and bear and fox and rabbits and some cardinals in the trees. Some Tudor homes in the village. Now this center part that says Home Sweet Home, I think that could potentially be cut up into blocks as well if you wanted to fussy cut it. Obviously, if you want to use it whole, you certainly can do that. This is that strip. It's 2.5 inches wide, so jelly roll size. We have a coordinating fabric that's very similar to this, but it is not exact, and I'll show you that in just a minute. Here's the fox. Got a little rascally raccoon here up in the corner. Cardinals and rabbits. There's our little bear friend. Beautiful red barn with the wreath up here. Now, some of the fabrics that we ordered that go with this line, I've got right here, and I want to show you those. This one is called Fawns and Flowers, and as you can see, the fawns have berry sprigs instead of antlers, and I don't think the camera's picking it up, but the garland around their neck is a gold metallic. Really pretty golds and pinks and berry colors in this one. Some white. This next one here is called Sugared Ornaments. Kind of painterly vintage baubles in shades of pink with gingerbread cookie ornaments sprinkled throughout. So you got that little bit of gold that ties in with the fawns. This next one here is called Jolly Ribbons, and this is a multicolored diagonal stripe. This could be used, this would be a great sashing fabric for this if you decide to turn it into a little lap quilt, which I think I will do. I think I'll use two of these panels to make a little lap quilt. And then the next fabric is not part of the Adventale line, but it was suggested as a coordinating fabric, and I just think it's fun, and of course love anything that's got stitching on it. It's called Deco Stitch, and this color is called Sea Glass. This also would be a great sashing or corner block, and it coordinates with the blue in the Home Sweet Home panel. So another fabric I have in the same Adventale collection, it's called Letters to Santa. I'm going to pull it over here so you can see it. It's a a letter fabric. And I did look, every single letter in the alphabet is included in this in about, I don't know, four or five rows worth, except for the letter Q. So sorry, Quinn. But you can turn the B upside down and get a Q out of that. And this would be fun for monograms on your projects, spelling out, somebody's name or a special word. Another thing I think these would be fun for is to make monogram little quilts as tags for packages. And the colors again in this are a little unconventional. You've got this K as a coral color, and you've got some teals in there as well, gray, just pretty. These squares are 2.5 inches, and so that makes it easy for calculating what you would need for your projects. And there's plenty of room around each of them for a 1/4 inch seam allowance, regardless of what you're making. So anyway, just wanted to share these with you. If you have any questions about it, just let us know, and we will chat with you again about this Advent calendar panel very, very soon. Take care.